small island located at the southern tip of the Malay Peninsula, Singapore is a fascinating tale of transformation. This city-state, nestled between Malaysia and Indonesia, is a global hub of commerce, finance and transportation, despite its size. But to appreciate the modern metropolis it is today, we must journey back to its roots. In the early chapters of Singapore's story, we find the indigenous Orang Laut, the sea people navigating the coastal waters. The island, then known as Temasek, emerged as a vital trading post for the powerful Srivijaya, and later the Majapahit empires. Singapore's strategic location made it a coveted prize for various colonial powers, from the Portuguese to the Dutch. However, it was the arrival of a British statesman, Sir Stamford Raffles, in 1819 that marked the beginning of a new era. Raffles established a British trading post, setting the foundation for the modern city we now know. As a thriving port, Singapore attracted immigrants from China, India, and other parts of Asia, creating a diverse cultural tapestry that continues to colour the city today. The colonial period, while marked by economic growth, was not without its challenges. Social and political upheavals led to significant reforms, eventually paving the way for self-governance. The year 1963 saw Singapore merge briefly with Malaysia, only to separate 2 years later. This separation, while painful, marked the birth of an independent Singapore. The new nation grappled with racial tensions, economic instability, and a dearth of natural resources. Yet, the visionary leadership of individuals like Lee Kuan Yew guided Singapore through these turbulent times. Through policies focused on economic growth, education, and social cohesion, Singapore began to transform. From a trading port, it metamorphosed into a global financial and commercial hub, driven by industrialization, urban planning, and foreign investment. The city-state placed a strong emphasis on education, healthcare, public housing, and social welfare programs, significantly improving the quality of life for its citizens. Today, Singapore stands as a testament to remarkable economic growth and prosperity, boasting one of the world's highest GDP per capita. Its skyline, marked by iconic structures like Marina Bay Sands and Gardens by the Bay, speaks of effective urban planning. Singapore's multicultural society, with its emphasis on racial and religious harmony, is a model of social cohesion. Yet, like all nations, Singapore faces its fair share of challenges, from an aging population to income inequality and environmental sustainability. However, these challenges are also opportunities for continued growth and innovation. As we reflect on Singapore's journey from a humble trading post to a thriving metropolis, we acknowledge the contributions of past and present leaders and the resilience and hard work of the Singaporean people. The story of Singapore is one of continuous adaptation, innovation, and unity. It is a story that continues to unfold. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for our upcoming video.